Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Lexicon Pharmaceuticals LXRX summary for the 5th of June 2023, in which we're going to be looking at the bullish and the bearish parts of the company. So I generally follow small cap pharma, I do games, I do just a lot of stuff. So if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot, and thank you. As disclaimers, I do not currently have any position in the stock. That doesn't mean I can open up a position at some point. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed up by your own due diligence. And any information given is valid for today, the 5th of June, and the slideshow will not be updated. However, I probably will be following this stock and see where the sales are going to go. So, the investment thesis. So, Lexicon's drug is going to be going up against 2 to 3 very large competitors in a field of drugs, which almost has $10 billion of sales in 2022. And in the US, that's about $6 to $7 billion in sales. So, it is a huge market. 2 main competitors, 1/3 offshoot competitor. We'll talk about all of those. The company, through loans and capital raises, has enough money to market the drug successfully. And Q3 2023 sales data will be examined for any trends, since it will be the first full quarter of sales. The company has stated that they will be looking to have the drug available late June. So that's really where Q3 is going to be important. The competition. And then the big names, you have AstraZeneca's drug, which is about $3.2 billion in 2022. Eli Lilly's drug, which is $6.1 billion in 2022. And then J&J has a drug. We'll talk. It's black box, but we're still going to mention it's about $300 to $400 million in 2021. Last sales data I could find. Maybe $100 million of that's from the US. So, like I said, 2 to 3 competition in there, and all large. So yeah. So the cash flow, that's very important. So they had $106 million at the end of Q1 2023. They have stated in their quarterly report they have $100 million from the Oxford Finance, which is a loan facility. They got $62.2 million from the public offering, and then $62.8 million from a private offering or private placement. And if we do math, which we like to do here, that equals a total of $331 million. That's a lot of money for marketing. R&D was about $12 million for Q1 2023. We do expect that to stay fairly flat for 2023. Might go up in 2024, but fairly flat. And admin and sales was $20 million for Q1 2023. This, of course, is expected to go up. But, that is really going to be where a lot of the sales is going to be. So, they have $331 million. And you can see there's not a huge amount of R&D expenses, so it's really going to be that sales staff and to see what they can do. The sales estimates are really all over the place. In the short term, for 2023, the sales are estimated between 50 and 30 million. For 2024, they're estimated between 30 million and 150. And the peak sales range, and this is a very large range, from 300 million to over $1 billion plus. Consensus is somewhere 600 to 800 million. Which is a pretty good sales. So, like I said, there's room for it, but you got to see if they can make that. So my thoughts on the company definitely has enough money to market the drug. Like we did the math there. We have 300 plus million. Overall, the label is clean. So there's no real issue with it. No real anything that we have to worry about. But superiority is going to be based on a doctor-to-doctor basis. So what that means is that, is the drug superior? Hard to say. And I think that some doctors are going to say, yes, this drug is superior. Some doctors are going to say, no, this drug is not. So we're going to have to see how that works out. So I'm definitely curious to see how they're going to market the drug against the 2 larger competitions. And then, of course, if you're bullish, you're thinking $1 billion in sales and a very nice payday from this. That's pretty obvious. If you're bearish, you're thinking the company really doesn't have a chance against the 2 large pharmaceutical companies. And looking at this from a neutral opinion at the moment, both possibility. So overall, we're going to be looking at that 2023 sales, and then we're going to see kind of what our play is going to be from there. So if you're new, I hope this helped you out a lot with any of your investment decisions. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.